welcome back to Fresh Baked. I am your host David, and if you've been following our Taste of Falloween adventure so far this week, we had, Liz and I had a great time touring the park a little bit, trying out some foods, hanging out with some friends, and then in our last episode, Liz and I did the amazing Camp Snoopy treat trail, which was just a revelation. Hopefully you guys have checked those out already. Tonight, the sun has set on Knott's Berry Farm, and so we're going to get to look at what Taste of Falloween looks like at night. We're hoping for something a little spooky, a little fun, maybe try out a few more treats, maybe hang out with some friends a little bit more. We'll see. They're somewhere in the park, deep in there. We got to go find them. But along the way, I want to show you guys how this place looks at night, because so far what I've seen, it's pretty cool. This has been a really amazing visit for us this week. So let's go. We talked about how cool this front entrance display looked earlier today. It looks even better at night. And it's featuring some of the things, a lot of the things that we're going to be seeing throughout the park. Fog and lighting effects. Two of my favorite things. Man, there's spider webs everywhere around here. We've been told by the mayor to keep an eye out in the windows. Oh, I don't know if that's it or not. I don't know if there's more, but there's something. Well, those windows were flickering. Look at this. The light is fantastic. It makes even the general blacksmith look positively spooky. He's doing some witchcraft in there. Oh my gosh, I love Halloween. Look at all the smoke. Oh, there's some more lights flickering in those windows.
This is called We All Have the Same Thumbnail.
Yeah, I know, right? Okay, back to one. Do it again.
The ghostly steam adds to it. It's my ghostly catwalk.
That's scary.
All these cannons out here, I feel like I'm being held up again.
Why do I torture myself? I don't think I've ever ridden this ride at night before.
Hello. All of us here at
Only during the day.
We're glad to have you join us.
This would be amazing at night. I don't know if it's obvious, but this is the log ride. Look at those pumpkins. Oh my gosh, this is just killing me. Look at that. Can you imagine being here right now and being able to ride the log ride and having those pumpkins greet you like that? It's so great. You know, as I reflect on it, I think I may have been at Knott's Berry Farm at night just once, and that was for a Knott's Scary Farm event a long time ago. Otherwise, I've only ever come at night, during the day, and I seriously regret that now. Beautiful.
Cool. I'm like slowly making my way down.
Oh my goodness! I love what they've done with the cobwebs or spider webs. They did a really great job with that stuff this year. Something is happening at the graveyard.
Buried me wrapped in a cheap rug. Now people stand on me all day long. My poor heart can be heard, loud and strong.
It's like going to Jim Morrison's grave. Oh my.
too bad. Dozens of bullets flying next to my ear. An old-timer gunslinger has much to fear. In my holster she lay, my trusted gun, Louise. Problem was, every time I pulled her out, I started to sneeze. Achoo! They say she was the fastest gun this side of the nation. A bit of an exaggeration, given my current situation. 4 slugs from a 44 does Lester no good. Dropped me dead, right where I stood.
Fall, drowning in a bout of alcohol. A ghost in a barrel might be a mighty fright, but a spirit soaked in spirits, well, that's a funny sight.
Enough for the undertaker to take his fee. My head is all floppy, as straight as a rag doll. But as a ghost, I never worry that I might fall.
Well, as promised, came back to the treat trail to show you how this thing looks at night, and so far, not disappointed. The lighting effects are found throughout. This is that little truck, I don't know what you call this little truck attraction. Really cute. Oh, look, it's our scarecrow again.
Has anybody seen any crows? Has anybody seen crows? Welcome to the pumpkin patch. Hi.
Wow.
Hey, how you guys doing? I'm not scared.
Oh no! Never worries, so scared.
No, it's only my second day. Is he nice? Oh, I'm not very good with technology. Oh, no? No, I don't have a brain.
He doesn't have.
Yeah, it's my second day.
I don't have a brain.
Yeah.
Candy too. Yeah, it's like legit. Oh
Oops,
my
sorry.
gosh, this is from the log ride.
Oh, is that what this is?
Oh
This is from the log ride?
This is normally in the holding there. She's crazy. Watch out for her. She's wild. Dude, this is normally in the log ride.
Is it? The whole thing?
Yeah, this is in the hoedown or whatever it's called.
But they're not aliens and werewolves and Bigfoots.
Oh, they're normally in there, I think,
Yeah,
right?
they're in the Halloween log ride, yeah.
Like the
Oh, I thought you meant like always.
No, the Halloween log ride, yeah. And that's the song, they're playing a modified version of the song. Where it's like, something, something, hello.
Yeah. Something, hello. It's so
Alien
good.
underneath the guitar. Dracula's on the washboard, Adam is on the dance. Something, something, hello.
I think Katie's. Are you in a mosh pit?
I am in a mosh pit.
Everybody's afraid to walk through.
Should I do it? You
Katie,
dare me?
I dare you.
Double dog dare me?
I double dog dare you.
Okay.
Double hockey.
Oh.
Oh, the light is on all of, oh, there's some kind of cadavers here. Oh, cadavers. Crypt. There's the moon up there, providing ambiance.
Oh, a little MC Hammer for ambiance.
I like it.
That is family. Katie has discovered pretty.
Dude, I would think this would be in like the 100-acre wood
I know.
at Halloween.
This is so perfect. Wait till you see it from the other side. We're seeing it from the back
Is it
side.
even better?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
What? No.
Do you doubt me?
Do you doubt
Let me show you. But first you have to look at the rock monster.
I like that.
The big blue rock monster.
It's almost like we're saying rock lobster.
Down, down, down.
Oh my gosh, they put skeletons on the swing.
They put skeletons on everything.
Oh my gosh. Did you see the skeletons on the swing?
Yep, just like I thought, even better than earlier today. Plus, this evening, you can see the projections up on the rock over there. The ghostly pumpkins. Spooky. I haven't seen a lot of fog tonight though. Where's the fog machines?
Our little candy corn family.
That's what I said.
No, he's got a little pumpkin hat, or not pumpkin, a watermelon hat. Oh, that is so
Cutest thing ever. Now look at how cute they are. And then check out Mr. Skeleton over here.
No.
Having the best day ever.
No, look at how happy they are. Oh my God.
I don't care that I'm dead.
Yeah,
I'm
he's
having the
just
time
like,
of my
listen,
not
I'm on
life.
this ride. I'm here at Knott's.
Yes.
We're living our best life.
That's right.
Oh my gosh.
And
it's
beyond.
So cute.
You know, I sometimes forget, it's not even just Halloween, but Camp Snoopy is incredibly well designed thematically. It is a beautiful land. I mean, second best land to Ghost Town. It's really great. It's almost a shame that it's just for kids, that we can't, I mean, we can enjoy it as we would enjoy Disneyland, let's say, just walking through it. But we can't really ride any rides. I would love to be able to do that. And the food at, I can't even read that, Grizzly Creek Lodge, it's not that good. But it's still wonderful. Look at, if you got to sit up there and have lunch and enjoy this view, how great would that be? Looks like Kevin's in charge of another doomed attraction. They're socially distanced. Is she leaving? She's gonna come right by us.
I know that show.
Happy Halloween, Lucy.
Happy Halloween.
Oh, he's just a ghost. He's Ghost Judge. Ghost Judge. Handing down sentences from beyond the grave. Behind the scenes of Adam doing behind the scenes of oh yeah.
Oh, we're getting a good angle?
Nice, get it? Get it?
It's like YouTube Inception.
Feeling awkward.
There we go. Is this who she's shooting?
Dylan's new camera. This is good.
Behind the scenes of Adam shooting a behind the scenes video of Spencer filming on Dylan's camera for Theme Park Obsessions. Oh God, we're gonna just
Oh, what happened? Who's that? Oh, Charlie. Wow.
This is what happens when a bunch of nerdy YouTubers hang out at a theme park after hours,
The sandwich.
trying to use up all of our food tickets. It's 9 o'clock. They're trying to herd us out of here. But I keep stopping to look at stuff because it's so great. They turned off the fog though, so we're not getting any more of that. But I am a sucker for lighting effects. Such a sucker. There's your best costume winner right there. Well, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed our show this evening, this week, these 3 episodes that we did for you from Knott's Bear Farm. I think it was 3 at least. Boy, if it doesn't turn out to be 3, I'm going to look so foolish right now. If you like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel. If you haven't already, you can follow us on Instagram at _FreshBaked and on Twitter at FreshBakedIzzy, that's Fresh with no E. And if you like the show and you want to support our channel, please consider joining our Patreon campaign. We are at patreon.com/FreshBaked. And until next time, guys, don't forget that we love you very much, and we'll see you next time. FreshBaked.